this presentation you will learn about how the Obelisk NEXT is delivered and how to unbox up for installation. Obelisk NEXT comes on a pallet packed in a box with handles. It can easily be carried into its new home by 2 persons. Open up the box, remove the cutting head and the media holder, and carefully lift the obelisk in the top and bottom metal frame and place it on the floor. Remove the polystyrene packaging, which is actually cut by your obelisk during the function tests at the factory. Lift the obelisk in the top and bottom metal frame and place it close to its workplace. Lift up until it stands on the machine feet. Adjust if necessary. Next step is to mount the cutting head. Place the laser cut keyholes over the 2 fixed pins on the linear guides bracket. Tap it gently in place. Make sure the 2 holes are aligned. Lift the cover and cable chain. Plug in the electric connector and slide the cover in place. Use the 2 small screws and tighten. The media holder is fixed with 2 screws. First, slide in the top of the media holder and mount the hex screw without tightening it. Now, place the bottom part in the bracket and mount the screw. Tighten both screws. Connect the serial cable to the connector on the back. Then connect the power cable and plug it in. Switch on by pressing the on-off button on the back. The display will light up and the cutting wire is now hot. Install the cutting software on your computer. Now your Obelisk NEXT is ready to use.